You can perform the quality inspection for an outbound delivery, according to Variant A or Variant B. In the inspection setup, you can define whether partial lots are to be formed automatically, in the case of a batch split in the outbound delivery, or whether a dedicated inspection lot is to be created for each batch split item. If a business partner master record has been created for a customer, you can use the quality info record sales to define inspection relevant specifications for the customer. These specifications apply to all materials that are delivered to the customer and include the control parameters, quality inspection, delivery category, and documents. If a delivery for a product or a material is created, then the SAP application Quality Management automatically generates an inspection lot for the inspection relevant delivery items. A delivery item is inspection relevant if the corresponding control parameters are active in the sales processes and in the SAP application Quality Management. For a delivery, you can inspect the goods based on the control parameters, such as quality info record sales, delivery category, and so on. If a delivery is made up of batch requirement materials, partial lots can be automatically formed for the inspection lot. The inspection of the individual batches is carried out with reference to the relevant partial lot. If a good that has been delivered is returned by the customer, for example, because of a technical defect or a repair order, one of the ways in which you can process this return is using a quality inspection. You use an inspection lot to perform a quality inspection to determine whether the goods can be repaired. The returned items are inspected. During the inspection, you can record inspection results and defects. You make a usage decision for the inspection lot and post the goods, depending on the results of the inspection, to the appropriate stock. The standard settings from client 000 can be copied into the current client. You can use quality notifications to support the return material authorization, or RMA process in your company. For example, if goods are returned by a customer for repair or replacement because of a technical defect, you can use a quality notification to process the return delivery. You record the problem in a quality notification for a customer complaint, that is notification origin Q1, and then use the functions of the quality notification, an integrated action box, to carry out the following actions. Create a repair order. Post a goods movement to the appropriate stock, so the returned items can be processed accordingly, for example, sales order stock, unrestricted use stock, or scrap. Execute a technical inspection, such as defect analysis and corrective action determination. Confirm the result of the technical check to the repair order, and complete the notification. The SAP application Quality Management supports sales and distribution processes with the following: quality inspections for a delivery, dependent on sales organization, customer, and material; quality certificates for a delivery, with reference to sales organization, customer, and material; management of customer terms of delivery. Customer specifications can be used for batch determination. In the service area, customer complaints are received and are distributed for further processing in the system, based on the nature of the problem.